Today, I am going to share with you some tips that are going to give you some confidence when you're doing your furniture online shopping. What's up, Glam Squad? This is your girl Dalou. Welcome to Glam Style with Dalou, where we're all about creating a beautiful, glam, and happy home. If you are new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified as soon as we upload. Our goal is to reach 500 subscribers in 2 months. We cannot do it without you. Please subscribe. When it comes to buying furniture online, it could be very challenging or even scary. If you have been watching my videos, you will see a lot of the things that I bought them online. And on my Glam living room video, I asked if you guys wanted me to share some tips with you for furniture, online shopping, and you guys have said yes. So here we are. Today I am going to share with you some tips that are going to give you some confidence when you're doing your online shopping. So the first thing I'm going to share with you, once you have decided to buy a piece of furniture online, is to measure. Measure your wall, measure your space, measure your doorway, measure your elevators to make sure that all the products will be able to fit and to make sure the product can get to you as smooth as possible. Then you are going to research the store. You are going to check the amount of reviews that the store has in general, not for the product, but the store itself, how many reviews that they have. I always go for stores that have 500 reviews, 4.5 stars or more. I don't do anything less than that. If you are a new store, I'm sorry, I'm not a risk taker. Somebody else will have to take the risk. You know, there's always rule to the exception. It could be somebody that you know, or a friend, or somebody you have been following for a long time who opened a store, then you want to support that person. But if it's a brand new store, you don't know anything about the store, you just saw the store online or you heard about it from a YouTuber or an influencer or something like that, that would be my recommendation. And you're going to check the about section to see what they are, what the standards, where do they make the furniture. You're going to check out the processing time, because if you need the furniture or the items for a particular event or holidays, if the item is being made all the way in China, or if when you place the order, that's when they're going to make the item for you, you need to know that information when you're making your decision. You're going to check the shipping and returning policy. You may really like the item, but sometimes they may be charging you a lot of money to ship the item to you. So you have to weigh the pros and the cons to see whether or not if the item is worth it. When you're checking for the returning policy, personally, I prefer a store that has free return policy, because it could be very costly. When you have that big furniture in your house, now that belongs to you, it may cost as much as $100 to return the item back. That is a lot of money. And also there is no restocking fee. That's another thing. Also, when you're checking out their shipping policy, especially if you're buying items like glass or white color or light color products or velvet type of furniture, you also to see what kind of delivery that they're going to give to you. If it's a white glove, or if they're gonna, I have a good one, I'm gonna tell you about it in a minute. Also, you want to know that it's in heavy furniture if they're going to bring the furniture inside of your house. Imagine if you buy something that's very heavy and they just drop it in front of the door. How are you gonna get it inside? So you have to make sure that you contact the seller or the store to make sure that your item will be delivered accordingly. Next, avoid using your debit card when buying from smaller company that you do not have a relationship with yet, or you don't know yet. Use your credit card or PayPal, because these company will be very prompt to give you your money back if the product is not as described or if the product is damaged. Next, the most important one, I'm going to introduce somebody who will say it to you guys.
Read the reviews.
Yes, they are your Bible. So So you really need to do your budget when it comes to the reviews. Read the reviews until you cannot read them, and then read them some more. Now, when it comes to a particular product, minimum I look for 30 reviews. I need 30 reviews, once again with 4.5 stars. Now, if the product has more reviews, I don't mind going for 4 stars. I don't go for less than 4 stars. If you don't hear anything else that I said, I really want you to hear this one, because sometimes companies pay YouTubers, influencers, or they write their own reviews, or have their family and friends write their own reviews. This is why you want to make sure at least you start getting reviews from someone who does not have an incentive to say something positive about the product. When you're reading the reviews, there are a few things you need to pay attention to. How the customer described the quality of the product, the beauty of the product. If they receive a lot of compliments, a lot of time they're going to say that, so that should be a great indication to let you know, okay, yes, the product is really beautiful. And a lot of time they will tell you about the customer service of the company. They would have some sort of interaction with the customer service for one reason or another. So they will be the perfect one to tell you whether or not they have the customer service was great. You do not want to deal with a company that has bad customer service. After you see the product, you did the reviews, you research the company, you do everything that you're supposed to be doing to make sure that the product is the right product for you. Do not buy it right away. If you can, that is. Wait, go to bed, think about the product, visualize the product at your house, see how you're going to match it with the rest of the product that you have at the house. I'm still dreaming about it. In my case, it's in my mind. Then I know, okay, this is the product for me. You are spending a lot of money in these furnitures. You cannot settle. That's why you can see, even in some of the tours that I gave you, I still have space that do not have furniture yet, because I really want to wait to find the products that I am in love with. You can fix your place when the time is right for you. When you just flip things around. This is why you have to make sure you wait and take your time to select a product that you really, really, really love. Okay, guys, before I forget, I really want to ask you the question of the day. Question is, what was or what is your favorite thing you ever bought online? I will put my answer in the comment section below, so you can go check it out and find out my favorite thing that I ever bought online. And let us know, what is your favorite thing that you have ever bought online? Oh, another thing you have to check out, when you read the reviews, pay attention to see on how difficult or how easy it was to put the items together. That is very, very important. I just remembered that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if I left anything in terms of online shopping tips, or if you have any things that you're doing to make sure you shop as safe as possible, anything that I did not mention, please put it in the comment below so we can learn from it. Sharing is caring, right? Check out the rest of the channel for some fabulous home decor, some glam table escape. My next 2 videos are going to be a glam vision board. We want to make sure that we still have beautiful decor while we making our dream come true. The other one is going to be the most common mistakes that we made when we're decorating or designing our home and how to fix them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so we can meet our goal of 500 subscribers. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.